Boot here, and this is GratitudeVlog day 106. Yeah, so what am I grateful for today? Today I'm grateful for just relaxing and so to say unplug. I had a lot to do it today. I had a meeting and I was to this um course, and it took some time, this meeting, the course meeting thing. Yeah. And when I came home, I just relaxed a little, and then I got a message from my friend that there was this gathering today, and I told him that I had to unplug a little today. So he said okay, and I took the time to unplug. Yeah. So why am I grateful for unplugging and reloading, so to say? It's because we're not supposed to burn ourselves out, whether it's gatherings or work or anything else. We're not supposed to burn ourselves out. We're supposed to have a time where we can unplug and just be be still and nourishing and replenishing, so to say. I used the words of sentence in my meditation: I replenish in Jesus Christ. And that's my words. So yeah. So how can one use this? One can use this by understanding the fact that sometimes you just have to cool down and let the system reboot, so to say. And that takes a little time. I took some meditation time for myself and just some quiet time, and I took some time to recheck my plans. Yeah. So in short, remember that we are not supposed to be so filled with information that we just explode. We're supposed to just cool down and replenish. Yeah. That's all I had to say for you today. I hope you got inspired. If you got inspired, you can comment, you can subscribe. You can share. Thanks from me. See ya.